to 15 knots easing to 5 to 10 knots. Chance of showers or a thunderstorm early. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday, west wind 5 to 10 knots backing. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Lights, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm located near Oak Creek, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. The strong thunderstorm will be near wind point. Around 6:55 p.m., mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains.